struggle, real trouble. Real trouble.
Hello and welcome to podcast. Thanks for tuning in. It's friendly and welcoming. Today it feels what's happened. Firstly, as I said previous episode, I couldn't export my text of note to computer. I couldn't move these things to PC. So I regret that you can forget to write in the note. 6 months ago, I could do this. So that's why I regret it. But most problem is this. As I said, I could export this text 6 months ago. You can misunderstood this thing. But I thought she understand these things. So I asked her previous time. I move some text on computer so you can see it, and this text say what to do, what I should do. And she was searching, but eventually, as I said, she misunderstood. So I said, if you didn't understand that 6 months ago I could do this, why you can why did you and why could you search the text? And she mentioned, I thought you said other things. No way, I couldn't understand. And she said, I said, I misunderstand. Sorry. And she said, I said, I couldn't find that how I couldn't understand how I export 6 months ago. So I remarked, I understand. You misunderstand how to export so this text. So I said, you said like this thing. For example, I went to rent house. I went to rent house, and you said like this. I forget how to go to the house, but I also forget I forgot that I went to my friend's house. No way. So, she said, I remember I exposed these things. No way. We talked about before we can do it. But you forget write this thing on the note. Write the way of exporting in previous time. And so what was that talking? So I said, what did she said? I forget way of exporting. Second, she said, I forget that I could export. Third, I remember use it until now. I remember these things. No way. And she said, I'm not smart. So it can be helped. But now we are talking. I said, now we are talking. We can move text. I couldn't. If I could, if I have been able to translate text or note for PC, I should solve this problem. So I wanted to know how she understand these things. I wanted to know which you understand, she understand, you understand. So I said, but she said, I'm not smart, etc. And after these things, I asked her, translate this text for my folder. Then, so I said, please copy this text and paste to Word application. Sometimes I said like this, but she didn't. No way. She said, I finished it. So now I'm doing like this. But she didn't. No way. Next. Going back to the first, I wanted to know how to export, but she search Google Drive and essay write on the internet. On the internet. Google Drive and storage location. Storage location. It was strange. I couldn't understand why she write it like this. But she said excuse. She said me excuse. Next. Recently, I listened to a certain podcast, and he said, and I realized a person who is good to memory and is but a number.
I'm not great.
But is but a number. But thinking there, but think, for example, they have a lot of they talk and they speak
他に聞い
they always they are always speaking something contradiction. They are smart, but they are good to memory, but obviously they are always speaking contradiction. I don't know why. Next, in the other person of this program said, I'm good on speaks. They can he can say spelling of the word. I'm similar to her his characteristic personality identity, and this ability is similar to my ability. I can he can
になる表現
someone ask her what some word. She answered. She can answered right away. It is similar to my ability. I can answer number of words. Number of word. For example, A is 3, B is 2. Japanese has a lot of kanji, so people Japanese most Japanese can't answer right away. Always I imagine kanji and I answered it. Next, going back to the previous talk, let's find way of exporting the CSET. Please open the application of document. But I found only document viewer. So I said, so she said, please, okay, please open the document application. So I remarked, no, it's, I can't, I'm not sure it's same application or not? Is it I'm not sure. It is same application or not. But she said, okay. Did you open this document application? No way. And all right. This episode, I'm gonna finish. Thank you for listening. Please follow this program. See you again.